Macaroni girl. Macaroni girl. Hi. Are you dancing? Ooh, dancing and eating macaroni. Do you want some on your fork? Do you want some on your fork? On your fork? Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. More? I know it's kind of hard to stab them. Here, let me help you. Would you like me to help you? There we go. Here's your fork. Mmm. Yummy, yummy. Mmm. Did you get your cracker? There's your cracker. Cracker. Cracker on the fork. It might not stay on there. It's really big. Olivia, macaroni is little. Cracker is big. Can you say little? And big. Big. Cracker is big. Macaroni is little. Little. Thanks, Olivia. Okay, we're going to finish eating our lunch and then go nap time. Nap time. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. I see you.